How to delete ChatGPT conversation. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open ChatGPT on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the conversation that you want to delete from the left side toolbar. Once the conversation is open, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and then tap on the delete option in the menu that appears. Further, in the confirmation that appears, tap on the delete option, and with this, that particular conversation will be deleted. So, this is how you can delete conversation in ChatGPT. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.